How to shorten your LinkedIn profile link. Start by opening the LinkedIn application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Go to your profile from here. Here, tap on the edit icon beside your name. Scroll down to the end and tap on Edit Contact Info. Over here, you can view your LinkedIn contact information such as your profile link and email. You can also edit and change your phone number, address, and more. Tap on the icon beside your profile link. You will then be redirected to this page. Go to the Edit Your Custom URL section and tap on the edit icon. You can now edit and shorten your profile link from here. Then, tap on Done. After that, tap on Save below. You have now successfully changed your profile link. You can also copy your profile link to share it with others so they can find and add you on LinkedIn. Following these steps, you can easily shorten your LinkedIn profile link.